to use HTML CSS to customize radio button. Here example. Radio, okay. Check. Disable. Check. Okay. Let's start. Okay. Here is HTML. HTML structure array, label, class, create radio button, input type radio, name Cambodia. Okay. Span. Handle text. Love the Cambodia people and more. Create radio. Name we use the same. And create disable. Okay. I write this HTML code. It will show like this. Okay. Yeah. Okay, let's start to write the CSS together. Now I copy this class name. Okay. I will zoom in about CSS. Okay. Are you clear? Okay. Custom radio button. Okay. Class radio button. I would like to display block. Okay. I need position relative and it is height. I need height size of pixel and overflow height hidden, and then we saw like this. I check HTML. Okay. So I would like to add padding more. Padding. Okay. Padding 0. I need pixels 40 pixels, and then okay, click and radio button type small radio in radio, yeah, in the class of radio, and then span. Okay. I need plus span. I would like to set the font style of the span. Display inline block, vertical align top. I need font size 30 pixel. Color, I use the default color. I love this color. And okay, radius. Okay, radius. Oh, radius. Oh, don't know the style here. I check again. Radius. Input type radius plus span. So display block one size. Okay, radius. Radius. No, oh, it's wrong. Radius in input. Okay, like this. Okay. I need okay, like this, and I will set borders for your borders bottom one pixel solid. See, okay, it is so like this. Okay, and then I set line height. I need the touch. I need the touch is balanced with the height 30 pixel. Line height 38 pixel. We got like this. Okay, and then I will generate new style of radio button. Okay, please follow me in here. Before I use before selector and position of absolute top 0. Let's say 0, and then before position I need content. Okay, content none, and then I love width 20 pixel, height 20 pixel too. I will set up border 3 pixels, select the default color, and you got like this. Okay, and then I set the top and left to the middle of the KA radio. Okay, and 20 plus 2 for top and bottom, so 24, and top we need 8 pixel. Okay, it is balance. Okay, balance, and I need the border radius percentage. Okay, we got like this, and then I check. Okay, is this one is check? Yeah, it's all check too. Okay, and you can copy this case, the block code. We use the after. Okay, after content a bit. I use 14 and no 14. Okay, 14. Okay, we got like this, and then 20 fourth pixel, 20 okay, and remove this one and background background color with I will set 60, okay. Okay, do you clear? And then this one is import is checked, okay. This is checked, no? Okay. Do you understand about this? And I want to hide this import the default, and then okay, this line copy and paste, display none. Okay, we got like this, and this one is this ball we cannot click, okay. So and we will copy this block code and pass radio dot again is disable before background color default, okay. And I will use opacity 0.6%, okay. And I would like to disable font style too. Okay, this. Opacity 0.6, okay. We got, okay. Okay, and in this video is full. I hope you understand. Please have to subscribe to my channel and share this video. And this video is very good for our use. Bye.